Hello guys, welcome to the Sigma Tech. Today we have a Dell laptop for repair. The model number of this laptop is Dell G3 153590, and here is the laptop. You can see I already opened the back side cover. Let me show you. It's Dell G3 latest laptop. The problem is this laptop is turning on but charging is not happening. Customer says he has given this laptop somewhere for service, and after the service has been done the battery is not charging. The orange light is keeps blinking. So let's try to fix it, see whether we can repair it. So this video is going to be very interesting. Stay tuned till the end. So here we have plugged the charger and pressed the power button. It is turning on, but you can see there is a light which is blinking. You can see the orange light is keeps on blinking, and the display has not come, but display will come soon. Since we have removed the battery, it will take some time for the display to come. So here you can see though the battery is connected, but here it shows battery not installed, and the lights keeps on blinking. It's 4 orange and 1 white. Here on the screen also you can see there is no logo of battery. Even if I go to the settings, I don't find the battery logo. So overall that means the battery is not detecting on this laptop. So let's open the board and take it out. We'll find out where is the problem. So guys, we have opened the board now. If I look at the board, I don't see any corrosion or anything or any faulty components burnt or something. But we have to check once. I mean, not cold checking, because the board is turning on. So let's measure the voltages first. So as per the schematic, this area is the DC in. That means the volt in section area. Now let's measure the voltage. So the charger is connected. Since it takes more than 5 amps, that is why I am connecting the charger instead of the DC. Now let's measure it. So on the CLR we are getting 19 volts. Okay. On the DC jack we will start. Here is the 19 volts lane. 19 is coming. Then to this capacitor or maybe coil or something, it is coming. And then to the first MOSFET, 19 volt is coming. 19 volt is coming. 19 volt is coming. 19.5. Here also 19.5. Then second MOSFET, 19.09. Here there is a voltage drop. And if you check the CLR, it is 19.09. That means there is a drop on this MOSFET. Now let's check it on the battery side. Battery side, there is no voltage on the main supply. The charging voltage is not coming. No voltage, no voltage, no voltage, no voltage. So we are not getting any voltages on any of the pin. So it is completely not detecting at all. So on the battery part we will come later. First we have to see this one, this MOSFET. Now let's check it out on the schematic about this MOSFET, and then we will probe further. So here is the MOSFET, secondary MOSFET I was talking about. It is PQ4410. PQ4410. Here you can see this MOSFET PQ4410. This is the secondary MOSFET, and it's a P channel MOSFET SM4309PSKRC KPC. This is the P channel MOSFET. That means it should have less voltage at the gate to function it properly. Okay. Now let's measure the voltage at the gate. The gate is this side. You can see on the multimeter it is 18.8. I think this is the problem we are getting. First problem. We are supposed to get low voltage here, but we are getting 18 point something. And on the first primary MOSFET gate, here we are getting 3.2. So the first MOSFET is working okay. The second MOSFET 19 volt is coming okay. But on the output there is a voltage drop, and on the gate there is 18.8 volt. That means there is a problem. So if you look at this schematic, we find this, there is a divider connected to the gate of this PQ channel MOSFET, and this divider will function only if this ground comes from this PQ4405. The ground should travel this side, and to travel this ground this side, this MOSFET has to function. And to get this ground here, this ACOK underscore I underscore in underscore M has to come. So let's trace out this ACOK underscore in, and then we trace out this one. So guys, here you can see PQ4405, this one. If you look it in the schematic, here is the component PQ4405, pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So pin number 2 is ACOK and pin number 1 is ground. So let's diagnose it. Pin number 1, there is no voltage. Pin number 2, no voltage. Pin number 3, no voltage. No voltage, no voltage, no voltage. 18 volts, 18.8 volt. So the pin number 6 we are getting pin number pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also we are getting voltage. Pin number 4 we are not getting. So these 3 and 4 no voltage, and these 2 we are getting the voltage. So as per the schematic, the voltages are not coming. 1, 2, 3, 4 we are not getting voltages. 5, 6 we are getting the voltages. That is the wrong voltage we are getting. Okay. So what we are going to do is, we are going to replace this. We will remove this and check it out whether the right voltage is coming or not. Because pin 2 ACOK is not coming, but on the first MOSFET we are getting the 3.3 volt at the gate. Okay, so let's remove this PQ4405. You can see here on the main screen. So pin number 1 no voltage, pin number 2 no voltage, pin number 3 we are getting 19 volts. So as per the schematic, pin number 3 we are getting 19 volts. Okay, it will come here. Pin number 2 we are supposed to get the voltage. Pin number 2 no voltage. ACOK underscore in is not coming at the pin number 2. And pin number 3 19 volt is coming. Pin number 3 19 volt is coming. pin number 4 no voltage, pin number 5 18.9 voltage, pin number 6 18.9 voltage. So 5 18.9 voltage coming, that means the ground is not going to the pin number 6. So guys, I am just trimming the video. I have traced out the problem and I have marked on the schematic as well. This was the first part of the problem where the adapter also was not detecting. So next time I'll make another video on the charger not detecting or adapter ID. This time we will focus on the light and the battery not detecting. Battery not detection. However, I'll explain you on the schematic what exactly I did it. Okay, so let me show you what I did. Here I already marked it. Now what we were not getting was AC OK underscore in underscore M. Because of this we were getting 18 or 19 voltage, 18 or 19 volts at the gate of this MOSFET. Okay, and due to this the voltage was not passing properly from the second MOSFET. Okay, there was a drop. Now we found it. Where was the problem? We sorted out. Let me explain you. These two are dual N channel MOSFET. Okay, this and this. Okay, what is happening is we were not getting this AC OK. That is why this problem occurred. First thing is this one. So what we did was we changed this IC. Okay, after changing the IC we start getting this one. Due to this one was not allowing this gate voltage to pass properly. I mean the formation was not happening of this divider. So let me explain you what happened. Here pin number 18 is releasing approximately 6 volt, 5.5 6 volt VDD, and the same voltage is present here. Okay, and again it is forming a divider. So this voltage 6 volt will be passing from here to this pin number 5 of PQ4417. Okay, when this voltage comes, this MOSFET, one part of this MOSFET will get active and this ground will pass. If this ground will pass, this VDD will stop here and this ground will further go to this side MOSFET. And this is a N channel MOSFET. Since there was a voltage present here, it was in on mode. Now when this ground comes here, this will go into cutoff mode. Then this ACOK underscore in underscore M will present here. Okay. At the same time, this HW underscore ACOK will go to controller as well. And this voltage will come here. This will become functional. After this, since this ground was passing here because the voltage was present here, we were not getting this ACOK NM here. That is why this divider was not functional. Now since this is functional, this ACOK underscore in underscore M will come to this place. After that, this MOSFET will become active. The voltage will come here and then this ground will pass through. Once this ground will pass through, this will form a divider and then this MOSFET will become functional. So this was the issue. Let me show you. So here is the PQ4405 and pin number 2 is ACOK underscore in underscore M. Pin number 2, 1 and 2. So here is the PQ4405 and pin number 2 is ACOK underscore in underscore M. Pin number 2. So here how much we are getting? Pin number 2. 3.2 volts. So when this 3.2 volts comes to pin number 2, the ground will come to pin number 6. So now formation of this divider has become active, and we are getting the low volt at the gate of this pin number, this second MOSFET. As you can see here, if I keep my multimeter here, we are getting 1.7 volt. You can see here. And at the first MOSFET gate, we are getting 3.3. Okay, so this problem was solved. Now we will move towards the second problem. That is, we were not getting the voltage at the battery charging connector. So now here we have a new battery, because we had a doubt on the old battery that it might have shorted. So we purchased a new battery to test it. Okay, we will connect it. And now we will measure the voltages. As you can see, the light is still blinking. Hopefully you can see it, the same condition. Okay, now we'll measure the voltage and find out if there is any solution. First thing has been cleared. We are getting the right voltage on the win section area. Now we have to check this side. So 3 pins are main, and we are getting, how much we are getting? So here you can see, pin number 1, pin number 2 and 3 are the main line. We are getting 19 volts. Okay, pin number 4 is communication. We are only getting 0.5. Pin number 6, 3.3. Here also we are supposed to get the same voltage, but we are not getting. But pin number 7 we are getting 3.3. Pin number 8, sorry, pin number 3, pin number 4 we are getting no voltage, and pin number 5 we are getting 3.3. Pin number 6 we are not getting. The pin number 6 is the battery present pin. Here we are supposed to get 3.3 volts without battery, which we are not getting. If I remove the battery and if I measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we are not getting. Here we are supposed to get 3 volts. When we connect the battery, this voltage will reduce to 0, or almost 0. And these 2 pins after 3, 4 and 5 should have equal voltage. Here also we are not getting the proper voltage. Okay, but we are getting voltage at the 1, 2, 3 pin. So let's check on the schematic. Now here you can see pin number 1, 2 and 3 is the main line, and pin number 3 and 4 is 4 and 5 is SM clock and SM data, SMB data, SMB clock. Okay, and pin number 6 is the one which defines whether the battery is present or not. Due to this only we are getting this orange light. Okay, and it is pin number 6, which is coming through this R4310. It's a bidirectional sign. Both the side the data will flow. Okay, but voltage is not present there. So we trace back it and we found the problem. Okay, now let me explain you where is the problem. It took longer time to make it shorter. I have already traced it out and I have kept it ready. So let me explain you guys what is happening. First let me trace this P bat present. What we did was we searched it. These things are not present. dy. Next, here This is also dy. We have removed this, we have checked, the voltage was not present. Since we have changed this battery IC itself, but still the problem remains same. Then we search again, this is going, this is present here as well. So we try to do some R&D here. It's here also we remove this, we replace this, but still the problem remains same. Then we probe further, and then we found that this p_bat_press hash is coming to pin number 29 of this IO controller. Okay, pin number 29. So here is the main catch. We were not getting this 3.3 volts. So when we search this pin number 29, we found here also voltage is not present. When we plug the battery, the voltage should go, but here the voltage is not present. So here what I did is, let me show you on the microscope. So here is the pin number 29. If I count from this side or from this side, this one side is 32 pins. So we'll count it from this side. 32, 31, 30, 29. So here is the pin number 29, and you can see there is no voltage. There is no voltage. Okay, so what we did is, we lifted this pin number 29. Okay, and then we found that the voltage came back. So just to show you guys, I have replaced this pin back. Now if I remove this pin number 29, we'll be able to get the voltage at the battery connector. Let me show you. Here you can see pin number 29, we have lifted it. A pin number 32, 31, 30, 29. Here you can see, I can put it inside this knife. So this has been lifted, and now let's put the battery and check it. So I have to put the fan because it is turning on directly. Okay, so the charger is in now, and now let's check how much voltage we are getting at this point. Hope you can see the multimeter. I'll keep it here. And pin number 1, pin number 2 and 3, we are getting 19 volts. Pin number 4, still we are not getting voltage. Data and clock, here also voltage is low, but battery present. Pin number 6, we are getting 3.3. So that means there is a problem with the controller. If we connect the battery, and then we check, here we are getting 19 volts. Here we are getting no voltage. Communication line 1.6, 1.3 is fluctuating, and pin number 6, the voltage is gone. Now it is detecting the battery. So let's remove this controller. Hopefully this communication line also gets solved and the charging problem will get solved. If that doesn't get solved, then we will further probe for the communication line. But for now, pin number 3, 4, 5, 6, pin number 6 is giving the right value. That means 0 voltage. It is detecting the battery now. Okay, so now let's change the controller and see. I have already ordered the controller which came just one day back, Let's place it. Okay guys, so the controller has been replaced. We have changed the controller which I ordered it earlier, and now let's check with the charger. We will connect the screen as well. Hopefully problem might have solved. So let's connect it. So we have connected the screen now. The DC is on the 19 volts. Now let's connect the DC jack. First we will check with the DC and then we will connect the charger. So it has taken. Okay, it has taken. Hopefully display will come. It will turn on in 2 times or 3 times. Let's wait for the display. Okay guys, the display has come. Now let's measure the voltages what we are supposed to get. So pin number 3, pin number 4 3.3, and pin number 5 3.3, and pin number 6 3.3. Now this pin number 6, this 3.3 of pin number 6 should go when we connect the battery. Now let's connect the battery. So here we have connected the battery. Now let's connect the charger. So we have connected the charger. Battery also is connected. Let's turn it once again. So guys, here we have connected the battery and the charger, and here I can see it says charging. Now let's measure the voltages. This pin number 1 to 3 is charging pin. We are getting 12.7. If you can see, that is the charging voltage. And then we have pin number 4 communication line, pin number 5 communication line, battery present pin 00. So it is done now. It is charging, and I'll show you the screen what it says, and the voltages are also okay. Here you can say it says it is charging and the percentage also is increasing, and AC adapter is 130 watts and it is getting detected. So guys, this is how we repair the laptops. If you found this video informative, then please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.